Thanks for logging on to abc15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. It's going to be a hot and dry day today, but we are tracking changes this weekend as an approaching disturbance cranks up those wind speeds across our state, and that is bringing a higher fire danger. But we are also going to see temperatures drop in time for the Memorial Day weekend. Now, as you look at Futurecast today, you'll notice that the wind speeds increase across western Arizona. You're seeing those winds in the orange and the red across that western pocket of our state. That's where we're going to feel the strongest breezes today. But then tomorrow, wind speeds increase statewide, including here in the valley, as that disturbance tracks closer to our state. It eventually will track just to our north. It is going to bring those breezes to the valley tomorrow. Then winds will start to lighten up on Sunday. We're not going to see any rain from it, but with those dry conditions then and those stronger winds, you can expect that the fire danger is going up. You can see that today the fire danger will be increasing, especially across northwest Arizona. But then tomorrow, that fire danger gets higher across that northern and northeastern pocket of our state, and that is where we're going to see the highest concern for those wildfires, as again conditions remain very dry and those winds increase in speed, especially up near Window Rock, around Heber, the Mogollon Rim. Those are the areas where we really have to use caution because of those high fire conditions. So as a result, we are under fire weather alerts today and tomorrow. Today's alerts for northwest Arizona, Mojave County, portions of Coconino County as well, and the higher terrain in Yavapai County under a red flag warning. Then tomorrow, portions of Yavapai County remaining under that red flag warning, and it's all of Coconino County, areas along the Mogollon Rim, northeast Arizona, and the White Mountains that will be under that fire weather alert, a red flag warning that will be in effect through the afternoon into the evening both days because of those strong winds. We also will feel those strong winds right along the river, and we've got a lake wind advisory in northwest Arizona. So if you're heading out to Lake Mead, that recreation area under that lake wind advisory until 8 o'clock here tonight. Gusts in spots as high as 30 to 40 miles an hour, so you can expect choppy waters. So keep that in mind if you're heading out maybe on the water today. You'll notice that the strongest winds again will be in northwest Arizona today. Here in the valley, winds will top out between about 5 and 15 miles an hour. Tomorrow is when we'll feel those stronger breezes here in the valley, and notice how by mid-afternoon we really get those winds kicking up across northeast Arizona, where again those gusts will be approaching that 40-mile-an-hour mark. After sunset on Saturday, those winds begin to back off, and then Sunday's winds just a bit breezy up north, but winds in the valley looking lighter for Sunday. So we're in that breezy range for Saturday, gusts to 25 miles an hour here in the valley, windy up north, those gusts as high as 40, maybe 45 miles an hour, especially in northeast Arizona. No rain with this disturbance, a few high clouds tonight into tomorrow, otherwise dry through the holiday weekend. Temperatures though will be dropping. After today we hit 100, tomorrow 95, Sunday mid-90s, and then we start to heat back up. Those hundreds are back for Memorial Day on Monday. As you look at temperatures today, most valley spots ending up in the upper 90s, but we could see a few spots hit those triple digits, including Phoenix, but we will likely only briefly hit those hundreds. Most of the afternoon and evening will be spent in the 90s today. Upper 80s in Sedona, mid 80s in Show Low, Lake Havasu topping out at 95. We'll hit a high of 76 today in Flagstaff. Then overnight tonight, you can expect those lows to cool off into the 60s and 70s here in central Arizona, mid 50s by tomorrow morning in Kingman, and we'll drop into those 60s, or at least right around 60 degrees by sunrise tomorrow morning in Sedona. Across the valley, mid to upper 60s to kick off our Saturday morning, breezy by the afternoon. Tomorrow's high temperature only in the mid 90s. Sunday still below average at 96. The morning really nice at 68 degrees for a low that day. Then Monday we start heating up, and by Tuesday we are up to 105.